So everyone knows what a CPN is, but how do you build it fast? The only way to build it fast is to add backdated primary trade lines onto that CPN. Why do you want to do that? When you go to a dealership, a bank, or a lender, you're going to try to get approved for a loan, a credit card, or even funding. But what happens is they deny you because you don't have enough history or age on that credit profile. What a trade line does, preferably backdated, is an account that has all that history, which is reported onto your CPN. So when you do apply for a bank or a lender and get a loan or an auto loan, they'll see that you have history, which is more important than having a high credit score, because you can have it at 800 and you won't get approved because your profile, your credit profile, is basically worth nothing because they don't see any open accounts on there. All they see is a score. They don't give a fuck about a score. They care about history. And however much history you have is however much credit limit you can get approved for and however much a loan you can get approved for. You can get a 0 down payment. If you don't have history, you have a high credit score, you're still gonna have a down payment. But it's not gonna be what you want when it comes to the limit you want on that vehicle. So, how to build a CPN fast, or even if you have a business or personal credit profile, SSN, you need to get backdated primary trade lines. Tradelineinc.com has a chart, a table, all right? I guess you guys seen Tradeline Supply. They only sell authorized users. But Tradelineinc.com has a bank table that shows all the banks from Wells Fargo, Chase, PenFed Credit Union, right? US Bank, right? GM Financial, and so on. Next to it shows the limit of the credit limit of an auto loan or a credit card. And also it shows you how long it's been backdated. On the website, you see something like PenFed Credit Union auto loan, primary trade line, backdated 8 years, about $50,000, $60,000 credit limit. You can get that reported on your CPN. Once that's reported, go apply for some loans. You'll come back, comment on my video, and you'll see how much of a difference it affects when it comes to having history on your credit report. To build a CPN, you need history. Don't add authorized users. You can add that to boost your credit score, but what matters is actually having an auto loan, backdated trade line, when you do apply for an auto loan. You know what I'm saying? So if you're trying to get a high limit credit card, you can, get authorized users, but it's not enough because they're not yours. You're not the primary. Primary trade lines on Direct Tradelines Inc. will reassign your account, update it with your credit information to the original person on that account, report it to the 3 credit bureaus, and it will stay on for 5 to 6 years. That's the smartest way to build your CPN. Go to directtradelineinc.com, go all the way to the bottom, look at that table, look at all the banks. You can choose any amount you want, just give it a shot. That's how you create financial wealth at some point, because you need a foundation, because everything revolves around credit. On the next video, we'll talk more about businesses, business loans, primary trade lines or SSN. We're doing everything in a strategic plan, and everything takes patience and everything takes trust. Mr. Credit here. I'm out.